This video will outline how to add a talkie to a Wixie project. So a talkie, if you're not aware, is an animated GIF. And in Wixie, the movement of the mouth will occur on whether a living or a non-living object made to appear as if it was a live icon. This allows opportunities for kids to do interviews or public service announcements or pretend to be or all sorts of things. It's ridiculously engagement and can serve as a fantastic way to capture kids' knowledge at both a simple lesson as far as a daily assessment or much more of a summative into unit type project. The quickest way to add a talkie is from the What Do You Want to Do Today menu. Simply select Start a Talkie. This takes you to the Choose a Talkie dialog menu. You can search or even search by dictation, or you can peruse or browse the folders or the loose files that appear underneath. I happen to be a huge fan of like Mike the microphone, but before I do that, I want to show the other way of adding a talkie instead of this one. If you were to open up a new project, and let's say you were working on the background, the different design elements or whatnot, and after doing that, you're then ready to add a talkie, you can go to the Widgets menu, and from it, select Talkie, and the same Choose a Talkie menu. So the first way was obviously faster, but this may be the necessary direction to go through the Widgets menu based on the process in which you're completing the project. I said I like Mike. Mike's the man. Mike's a little saucy. He blinks, he winks. He's kind of all over the place, which is kind of cool. Now, when you select a talkie, you have the ability to add audio in two capacities. You can do text, in which the program will speak, or you can add an audio file. If your talkie is not selected, obviously these options won't appear, so it's important that you select your talkie. You can type in text or even use dictation. Hello, my name is Mike, and I'm here today to talk to an amazing planet called Neptune. From here, I can choose a voice, even go British, why not, and try it.
Hello, my name is Mike, and I'm here today to talk to an amazing planet called Neptune.
You can modify the speed as well. Now, what's wonderful, if I wanted to do more like a back and forth conversation, a Q&A, again, question and answer as I was talking about, I can go in and under space, lo and behold, find Neptune. There he is. Now, Neptune, he's facing the wrong way. That's, again, a little type A, I'm sorry. But under options, once again, you've selected the talkie, you'll see the ability to flip it or rotate it. So in this case, I'm going to flip it, I'm going to go back, and I'm going to do an audio recording on this one. So the audio recording functions exactly the way as a page audio recording does. Students can record a single file to the talkie, and it can last up to 5 minutes in length. To do the talkie, you would simply click record and then begin the recording. As with all of our recordings, you do get a 3-second get ready or 3-second countdown. Well, Mike, it's a pleasure to meet you. Obviously, Neptune, the farthest planet from the sun, the farthest planet that we currently know about, at least, and the mean guy to all those Pluto lovers out there. Sorry, I digress. So now I am working a Q&A. This is great because although I talked about things like public broadcasts, I talked about the ability to maybe reflect on something. Maybe you've got a picture of a science project. Maybe you've added a video of a science project and the students are doing a reflection on it. Maybe a picture of something they drew in art class and they're reflecting on it. You'll also see, you should see, really neat opportunities for kids to do interviews, conversations, any kind of dialogue between two people. This could be loyalists and patriots in the Revolutionary War. This could be Mike interviewing characters from novels or interviewing an element from the periodic table. Rich opportunities, again, to be creative. Once here, I have the option to try it as I just did the recording or before, or if I want to see the full page dialogue, I can go ahead and show it. And this brings up the show in which you can activate through the
Hello, my name is
icon.
Mike, and I'm here. Hello, my name is Mike, and
I'm going to turn him off there as you get the point. What's wonderful about this is the talkies, you should first note, will play kind of like comic book style. You read the text objects or call out bubbles from the top to the bottom in a comic book. The audio will play top to bottom as far as the arrangement of the different talkies themselves. And if there's a tie, it's going to be left to right. You as a teacher could consider doing the dialogue on one talkie, asking a question, something like that, and then the kids do the talkie on the other ones. So I could actually go ahead and under the ellipsis menu, duplicate, and duplicate, and I have 4 pages with 4 different questions that I've asked, and the kids are responding with 4 answers based on the research they've gathered or the information they just observed from the science project or whatnot that they're going to respond.